Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, keyless ignition, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.